Good to have you back. This is the Natural English Channel, your daily English practice. I'm Sophie.
And I'm Oliver. Really happy you're here today. We post a brand new conversation every single day, so if you haven't subscribed yet, do it now. You don't want to miss one.
So, Oliver, I got a message this week from someone called Anna, and it made me smile immediately.
Oh yeah? What did she say?
She wrote, Sophie, I have a question. My boyfriend always says I don't listen to him, but I always hear everything he says. So what is the difference? Are hear and listen the same thing?
Oh wow, Anna's boyfriend is going to love this episode.
Anna, this one is for you and for your boyfriend and for everyone who has ever said, but I heard you. Hear and listen. 2 words, both about sound, both about your ears, completely different meanings. And that's exactly what we're talking about today.
Okay, I feel like I already know which side I'm on here.
Let's find out. Oliver, right now, can you hear anything around you?
Yeah, I can hear some traffic outside, a dog somewhere, maybe a TV in another room.
Did you choose to hear those things?
No, they just came in. I wasn't trying, they were just there.
Exactly. Hear is automatic, passive. Your ears are open and sound comes in whether you want it or not. You don't decide to hear, it just happens. Think of it like this. Hear is an open window. Sound comes through the window all by itself. You don't have to do anything. The wind just blows in.
Oh, here is an open window. Sound just comes in. No effort, no decision, just the sound arrived.
Exactly. Now, are you listening to me right now?
Yes, I'm focused on you. I'm paying attention to every word.
And did you choose to do that?
Yes, I decided to listen. I'm making an effort.
Exactly. Listen is active, intentional. You choose to focus. You decide to pay attention. Think of it like this. Listen is putting on headphones. You choose what goes in. You decide to focus on one specific sound and give it your full attention.
Oh, wow. Here is the open window. Sound comes in automatically. Listen is putting on headphones. You choose to focus.
And that's the whole secret. Hear, passive, automatic, no choice. Listen, active, intentional. You decide.
So when Anna says, I hear everything my boyfriend says, she means the sound reaches her ears. But when he says she doesn't listen, he means she's not focusing, not paying attention.
Exactly. Both can be true at the same time. You can hear someone and not listen to them.
Oh, hear without listening. The sound comes through the window, but you never put on the headphones.
That's Anna's situation perfectly. Now, let's look at how these words work in sentences. Hear is often used without trying. I heard a noise outside. Did you hear that? I can hear music from upstairs. The sound just arrived.
Hear. I heard. Did you hear? No effort, no decision, just the sound arrived.
And listen always comes with 2 when there's an object. Listen to music, listen to the radio, listen to your teacher. You always listen to something or someone.
Oh, listen to. Always with to. I listen to music. She listens to podcasts. He needs to listen to his girlfriend more.
He really does. And without an object, just listen alone, it's a command. Listen. Pay attention right now.
Oh, just listen alone is a command. Like, listen, I need to tell you something important.
Exactly. Now, a very important difference. Hear can mean to receive information or news. Did you hear about the new cafe on the corner? Have you heard from Lucas lately?
Oh, hear about something. Receive news or information. Have you heard from Lucas? Did he contact you? Did you get news from him?
Yes, and you can never swap listen here. Did you listen about the new cafe? Wrong. Did you listen from Lucas? Wrong. These are fixed with hear.
Hear about, hear from, both fixed. Never listen in those phrases.
Now, formality, because hear and listen work at every level, but there are some patterns.
Okay, which one is more formal?
Both work everywhere, but listen appears a lot in professional and educational contexts because it involves intentional focus. Please listen carefully. I need you to listen to this. Listen is active, intentional. You choose to focus. You decide to pay attention.
Listen implies respect. You're choosing to give someone your full attention.
Exactly. And hear appears more in casual context. Did you hear that? I can't hear you. Have you heard the news? More about receiving sound or information.
So listen is more deliberate, more respectful, and hear is more natural, more everyday.
Perfect. Now, fixed expressions, because native speakers use these constantly.
Hit me.
Hear me out means please listen to me completely before you respond. I know this sounds strange, but hear me out.
Oh, hear me out. Give me a chance to finish. Don't interrupt yet.
Listen up, a casual command, meaning pay attention right now. Everyone listen up. I have an announcement.
Listen up. More energetic than just listen. Like, this is important. Pay attention now.
I hear you means I understand how you feel. I acknowledge what you're saying. Not literally about sound, about understanding. This job is really stressful. I hear you.
Oh, I hear you. That's so warm. It means I understand. I see you. I get it.
Very warm. And listen to your heart, a fixed expression meaning follow your feelings and instincts. Don't think too much, just listen to your heart.
Listen to your heart, because your heart is always actively trying to tell you something. It's not passive. You have to choose to focus on it.
Beautiful. These 4 expressions, hear me out, listen up, I hear you, listen to your heart, learn them as complete phrases. They come up constantly in real conversations.
I hear you, Sophie.
Now, error check. The mistakes that come up most.
Ready.
Wrong. I was listening a strange noise outside last night.
I heard a strange noise outside last night. A strange noise arriving in your ears. Passive, automatic. Hear, not listen. And you don't listen a noise, you hear it.
Good. Wrong. Did you listen about the new restaurant downtown?
Did you hear about the new restaurant downtown? Receiving news or information. Always hear about. Never listen about.
Exactly. Wrong. Please hear to me carefully.
Please listen to me carefully. Active focus, intentional attention. Listen to. Hear doesn't take 2 in this structure.
3 for 3. And before the quiz, one thing. If you've been using hear and listen as the same word your whole life, completely okay. They're both about ears and sound. The confusion makes total sense. And Anna, you're not wrong. You do hear your boyfriend. You just need to listen to him a little more too.
Yeah, and honestly, this episode made me think about how often I hear things, but don't really listen. Like Max, he hears everything I say, but does he listen?
Max definitely has selective listening. Quiz time. Let's build a mini dialogue together. I'll start a conversation and we respond naturally, using hear or listen.
Okay, ready.
Oliver, did you hear that? There's a noise coming from the kitchen.
Yeah, I heard it. Sounded like Max knocking something over again.
I told you you need to listen when I say don't leave food on the counter.
I know. Listen, I hear you. I'll be more careful.
Good. Now, have you heard from Lucas lately? He hasn't posted anything online.
Actually, yes, I heard from him yesterday. He called. I was trying to listen to a podcast, but I picked up anyway.
Aw, good friend. And Oliver, are you listening to me right now, or are you thinking about Max?
I'm listening. Headphones on, full attention, promise.
Perfect. Every single response correct. Heard, passive arrival of sound. Listen, I hear you, fixed expressions. Heard from, received contact. Listen to a podcast, active intentional focus. Listening, active attention right now.
You know, hear and listen have been like two different ways of being in the world my whole life, and I never knew they had names. Hear is being in the world with your eyes closed and your window open. Everything comes in. Listen is closing the window, putting on the headphones and saying, this is what matters right now. I'm here. I'm with you.
Oliver, that was genuinely beautiful.
Don't tell Lucas. He'll never let me forget it.
Let's lock it in. Vocabulary review.
Let's go.
Hear, passive, automatic. Sound arrives without effort or choice. I heard a noise. Did you hear that? I can hear music. Repeat after us. Hear.
Hear. Hear.
Slowly. H-E-A-R. Hear.
Here is the open window. Sound comes in by itself. No effort, no decision. Also used for receiving news. Hear about, hear from.
Listen. Active, intentional. You choose to focus on a sound or a person. Listen to music. Please listen carefully. Listen, I need to tell you something. Repeat after us. Listen.
Listen. Listen.
Slowly. L-I-S-T-E-N. Listen.
Listen is putting on the headphones. You choose to focus. Always listen to something. Without an object, listen alone is a command. Pay attention now.
Fixed expressions. Hear me out. Give me a chance to finish before you respond. Listen up. Pay attention right now. Important announcement. I hear you. I understand. I acknowledge how you feel. Listen to your heart. Follow your feelings and instincts. Repeat after us. Hear me out.
Hear me out.
Listen up.
Listen up.
I hear you.
I hear you.
Listen to your heart.
Listen to your heart.
And the golden rule. Hear is the open window, sound comes in automatically. Listen is putting on headphones. You choose to focus. One is passive, one is active. And now Anna's boyfriend can finally feel heard.
Heard and listened to, both. Come back to this review and say these words out loud with us. Hear, listen, hear me out, I hear you. Say them until they feel automatic. That is how language becomes yours.
And if there's a word or expression in English that has been confusing you, leave it in the comments below. Your questions are literally how we choose our next topics. You help us more than you know.
Seriously, your confusion today is our next episode. Don't be shy. Leave it down there.
And if this helped, please like, subscribe, and share this with someone who hears everything but never listens.
You know who they are. Send them this.
And if you enjoyed this episode, go watch our last video where we talked about remind and remember, two words that are also about your mind and memory, just like hear and listen are about your ears and attention. The link is in the description.
I remember watching that one. I listened very carefully.
Both correct, Oliver. See you tomorrow. Bye, everyone.
Bye, and Anna, your boyfriend hears you. Now make sure he listens too.
Goodbye, everyone.